Welcome back again. Today we will be taking a look of HORIPAD from Hori. Now, this is a little bit different controller than what I'm used to using. This is designed for Steam OS. It also works as a wireless gamepad for Windows. So this is meant to be used only with Bluetooth. So there is no 2.4 GHz wireless dongle in the package. Only Bluetooth, and if you want to go old school, then there's the USB cable for connecting this wirelessly to your gaming device. But worry not, there is a Bluetooth dongle within the package. As the device is designed to be used in a Steam OS, there are only Steam OS mapped keys here, so those will work in the operating system. Besides the standard keys, there are 4 keys that you can actually program to be used for different kind of functions. 2 in the front and 2 in the back. The solder triggers can be used as analog or digital. The digital is good for shooting games, where you just push the trigger and the guy will basically shoot. The analog is good for driving games, where it defines basically how fast the car is going. If you push it down, ease it back up, and the car will slow down. Okay, what is this missing then? Well, there isn't any kind of a force feedback. You can't connect headphones with 3.5mm jack to it. And there is no touchpad, so you can't emulate mouse. Now, let's unbox this. Let's pass the device for now. Oh, you know how I love the manuals. That's it. Short and done. So, bear in mind that there is a Bluetooth dongle also in the package. So if you don't have a Bluetooth in your PC, this is a good way to ensure that you can still use it wirelessly by connecting this to your device. USB-A to USB-C cable and the device. This is quite light. All around plastic. The thumbsticks feel okay-ish. Checking on the top, there are the Steam overlay keys here. The face buttons do feel quite okay. The extra programmable keys are down here on the front and then 2 here on the back. On the back there's a switch where you will change from analog to digital. And then there's the settings for choosing that do you use this as a Steam OS controller or X input controller. Okay, let's pair this to my Steam OS device, the INEO Air, and see how it works actually. Okay, now let's test pairing the Hori controller to the INEO Air, which has a Steam OS. First, from the Steam device you need to go to the controls and there select Bluetooth and activate it. Set the controller to pairing mode. On the list select HORIPAD Steam and it's paired. That was quite simple. Now let's test some gaming. If you want a controller that you can use with your Steam OS and with Windows devices, it's a reliable choice for that. Okay, thanks again for watching guys.